Guys, I'm ready.
Yeah, hey yo, this goes out for my homies out there. Hey, get your ass up. Ladies and gentlemen, hear this. Yeah, feel this. Back to the drive, flipping the possession. My life, hip-hop is my life. Lots of heaven, lost is what I am. Everybody's jealous of me when I rap, but I'm just rapping for my lady. Don't see 1,000 miles apart, taking on my way every breath I take. Vaguely telling me the guy used to be gain every same right. Keep fighting this emptiness and loneliness, keep following me. Everything I do is make me reminisce. Sorry, probably never mind when other girls are going crazy. So much totally, I'll sit there, I'm soaking the one. I'm beginning to look and cool along. Now I feel like the walls upon me. All I see is nothing but misery, but I ain't give up. Cause nothing gonna diminish you, and this one want to replace you. Oh, here I go again. I'm fresh up, can make my rhyme shining longer, but I don't want this to end tonight. Let my words count, and I'll do my very last breath. Let me have to endorse you. Got to know that life ain't already seems so sweet. It's kinda hard with you not around. Wish I could turn back the hands of time when the two of us, you and I. Gotta love, look to Baba Million, come like me, get it, yeah.
My love for you is dead lives. Cause Chevalier argument is just break it up. You can't understand. Full of police, just call you out. When you know a real life, you just say it out again. Hate it anymore again. Get off shit. The love that I have for you, so should be until my last breath. Please never let me go. Where the phone show my life should never end. Every morning I think of you, girl. Please turn it back to me. For the crowd that they saw me in the bridges past when I'm like this. In this lonely won't get you understand me, girl. Even though you find a better way, but I can't get you out of my mind. To know how I keep fighting till the end. You know what I'm into you, damn. Wanna be with you, wanna make you laugh, make you life. Appreciate it all the way you treat me. I feel it's like number one in my life. Hold on tight, wanna kiss and hug you, yeah. Sometimes it's like going crazy, cause you are my life. Every time passes by, I love you more and more. Every tick-tock on the clock, I miss you every now and then. So be careful and faithful to me, girl, yeah. Out there, yeah.
As you start listening and hear this, got to know that sometimes I feel like shit, but still in my heart is where I keep it back.